Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm back with another video to show you guys how you can log in into your Sanford employee account. First of all, just open up any web browser like I already did Google and go into its search bar and just type in Sanford employee login and hit enter. After doing so, many links will pop up on the screen. As you can see, and it is the first link that pops up on your screen. Click on that link. Now, after clicking on that link, it will take you to the official website of Sanford Health, where you can see current employee and former employee. On the section for current employee, go on to Employee Portal and click on Employee Portal. Now, after doing so, it will take you to a different site where you need to put your username and password correctly in order to sign in to your employee account. So, put the correct username and password and hit on submit in order to log in to the employee account. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.